Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun reviewer, back with another video. Yes, in this video, I'm going to give you my first impressions and go through the initial setup on the Galaxy Note 9. But before I do that, check this out. Okay everyone, so in this video, yes, I'm going to give you my first impressions, but also go through the initial setup, show you how quick the fingerprint scanner is to set up, and maybe even the Face ID. And then also check out the storage, see what you get once you do a fresh restart like I'm going to do on the Galaxy Note 9. But stay tuned to the channel because I'm going to have comparisons coming up. I'm going to have a speaker challenge. I'm going to have some videos coming out as testing out the cameras. Definitely some case reviews, tips and tricks. So stay tuned to the channel. But let's get this video started. So you get the Galaxy Note 9. You open it up. You power it on. This is the screen you get. It actually has something that says use the voice guide. She'll talk to you. I'm not all into that. So I'm going to do this myself. It tells me to insert a SIM card, which I will do. Let me go ahead and put my password in here for the Wi-Fi. Alright, so it says I'm connected. I'm going to accept the terms and conditions. It asks me if I read them, but, you know. Again, we don't read stuff. You should always read stuff before you sign it. Let's do email. That's a PSA from Forest Tech Reviews. Read stuff before you just sign away. Alright, so it's getting my account information. I'm not going to restore it. It tells you can adjust the time. It's definitely... I'm not in Eastern time. So what I'm going to do here is set up the fingerprint scanner. Let's test it out. Let's see how fast it does it. I always do a pattern. Bam, that was actually pretty quick too. Register your finger. That was actually pretty quick. Let's see if we can add the same finger twice, just in case. I love when the phones do that. Samsung is always known to allow you to do that, so. But, I mean, that's pretty quick. And all you have to do is swipe down. Let's try it out. Oh, your fingerprint was thing. It says protect your phone. I'm gonna skip Google Assistant. Now you can. These apps will be downloaded Wi-Fi, so you can not download them if you don't want to. That's up to you, but I'm gonna download them. Why not? I'm going to skip my Samsung account because I don't remember the password. So it gives you some features that you can check out. This is T-Mobile. If you have the T-Mobile variant, I guess you would get this information. If not, I guess you get whatever carrier you have. And that was pretty much the setup. Man, look at that. Internet is downloading some stuff really quick. So, let's go into settings. I'm going to try the Face ID. Let's see, biometrics. I'm going to do face recognition. Now, let's see how fast this does. I'm going to keep my glasses, put them on for the best results. So, I'm going to say I have glasses on. That's something new. Also, it said take off your glasses. I can't see without them. So that went pretty quick. I'm going to turn that on. Let's make sure the phone is locked. That was pretty quick too once I got away from the... Oh, man. Do y'all see how quick that was? Once I can get away from the camera, I'm trying to get this on. That's actually pretty quick. I like that. Let's check out the storage too, because 128 gigs. Let's see. So straight out the box is using 18.8 gigs of storage. So I have about 109 available. Man, I don't know where the 18 gigs are going, but definitely, yeah, that's a lot because I haven't even downloaded my apps or anything. So 18 gigs, but here's the settings. Now, what I'm going to come back to do also is like a tip and trick thing, some things that you should do. But this is the Galaxy Note 9. Look at that thing. It's a beautiful looking phone. Man, look at the cameras on there. My favorite feature so far I've been posting on Twitter is the different color S Pen. Look, man, look at that. That's a beauty. I just love the different colors. But I'm gonna get more into details with the S Pen. Stay tuned to the channel. That will be coming up too. But let's go back into the settings. There you go. You see the normal settings. Now with 6 gigs of RAM, you shouldn't have any type of lag on your phone or anything, but definitely that was just the initial setup, my first impressions of it. Again, it feels really good in the hands. I expect nothing but great things from this phone. Yes, you're going to pay for it, but you do get a lot of different features with the Galaxy Note 9. So I'm going to get into the features in a different video. This was just my first impressions of it. So far, yeah. Let's check out one thing too, because I know people always do that, first impressions. Let's check out the camera. No, I don't want to turn on. It still has Bixby Vision on there. But let's take some pictures and see how it does. My G7. Move that back. Bam, there you go. Let's take a picture of mine. What do y'all think? Y'all let me know. Look how clear that is. And the cameras are pretty good so far, but I definitely will be testing the cameras out more. I don't want to do split screen. It tells you all these secret things to do. Let's take one more picture. Let's throw something blue in there. Like the S Pen. Bam, look at that. So again, this has just been a quick video, initial setup, give you my first impressions. The cameras look really good, but I'm going to do more tests on that. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Note 9. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.